Every year, stored product insects damage grain in storage bins, feed mills, and grain elevators. Grain protectants help prevent infestations before they begin, protecting stored grain for 12 to 18 months after application. Dry applicators allow farmers, feed mills, and grain elevators to automatically apply protectants as grain moves through the system. The 21-gallon stainless steel cone helps prevent bridging, while an internal agitator arm keeps powder moving towards the application opening. 5 interchangeable screens allow the applicator to meter a wide range of dry products. A waterproof variable speed control allows operators to fine-tune application rates to match grain flow. Dry applicators can be used to apply several types of grain protectants commonly used in stored product grain protection programs. Diacon D is an insect growth regulator applied at 10 pounds per 1,000 bushels of grain. It works by disrupting insect development, preventing larvae from becoming reproducing adults. This product helps stop infestations from growing over time. Gravista D is applied at 11 pounds per 1,000 bushels and is commonly used on corn, wheat, sorghum, barley, oats, and other stored grains. It provides long-lasting protection against stored product insects during grain storage. Insecto DE, or diatomaceous earth, is applied at 2 pounds per ton of grain. It works by physically damaging the protective outer layer of insects, causing them to lose moisture and die. It can be used on a wide range of stored grains, feeds, and seed. Dusta-Cide malathion dust is another option, applied at 10 pounds per 1,000 bushels for control of stored grain insects in wheat, corn, oats, barley, and rye. To learn more about grain protection programs or applicator equipment, visit fsszone.com